Hi all, I'm Vinu Challa from MIT Open, and today I just want to discuss about using the VMware vSphere web client, which is the most interesting one in this virtual atmosphere. So coming to here, you can see this initial screen of VMware vSphere web client login. You can just type, please enter GB with your frequently fully qualified domain name here, and you can just enter along with this directly. Yes, again I have given the username and the password, and it's authenticating, initializing, and you can just see amazing. VMware vSphere web client is open. This is a virtual atmosphere. Since the license we get for 50 days, it's showing a warning like, so just ignore it. And we are working with this. So you can see this is an amazing atmosphere, the virtual. And so you can see this is our vCenter. Coming to here, you can see. So you're just you can get this is unpin and pin task. So when you press it as pin or unpin, you can just decrease it. So suppose it takes some time, so you can see, you can notice you're getting the full screen. If you want to get here, just again you can select this, so you can see this. So this is nothing but the task of pin and unpin. When you click here, this is our home. This is our home and hosts and clusters. You can see this are our hosts and clusters. I created so many hosts and applications, resource pools along with my virtual machines. And coming to the another task is just simply this is our initially we can't log in through just normal Internet Explorer, but we just need to download the browser of Google, or download the client integration plugin. And since it's an Adobe Flash Reader, initially you can't log into it, and it's a mandatory requirement to get the Adobe Flash Reader, or else you can also log into that particular fully qualified domain name, as I have discussed in the starting of this lab. And coming to this, how to navigate and how to pin or unpin, and how to hide the getting started tab, I want to discuss just generally. And we can also upgrade the compatibility of the virtual machines working here. So you can see here, these are the different tasks. This is for pin and unpin, and you can just also consider this is the hide the getting started tab, how we are going to hide it. So you can just go to the drop down of the help. You can see the options, hide all getting started pages. When you click this hide all getting started pages, you can notice that there is no getting started pages here in this screen. This is the feature of the vSphere web client. So there are many extraordinary more features when you compare with normal client login or vSphere VMware client login. There are more features in the VMware vSphere web client login. So you can just again get show all getting started pages. So again you can notice that getting started pages are available here. And one more thing is a help table of contents about VMware vSphere. So there are many options to get with the help conditions, and it's very simple. And just when the machine, since the fault tolerance is enabled, you can see this. You can just go to connect and connect your ESXi host, which I created for 147. So you can notice the host is connected here. You can notice there are many virtual machines also connected here in this resource pool. I just dragged. You can find in the apps another virtual machine. So coming to this vSphere web client is the most interesting one, and the client is, as I have discussed in my previous one, it's nothing but you can open from any web browsers and different operating systems. You can also take different OSs and different operating systems, which is very much suited for vCloud suite for cloud computing and facilities. So there are several options vastly discussing about this web client. As you have seen, the getting started, summary, monitor. So you can monitor all the tasks which are here, the issues, performance, resource, or reports, or hardware status or log browser or update manager, anything you can monitor, whichever thing you want to monitor, you can just monitor here. And you can see here manage in this the networking. You can see manage the networking. You can see the virtual switches, adapters, and the physical adapters. So what are the modifications you are doing here, for either for the virtual machines or for the hypervisors or for any clusters or for any data centers. So this is my data center known as training. You can create data centers, many data centers in the same region or different regions, and you can just migrate the machines. Migration is possible from one data center to another data center or within the same data center. So this is a vast virtual thing where you can notice this particular theme of thing. So you can see here related objects. Coming to related objects, you click top level objects. You can see what are the running machines now, and the virtual machines, and the VM templates, apps, and the data stores, networks, and the distributed switches. So there are many options or criteria when you work with this web client browser rather than the vSphere client. And so this is what I want to discuss about this particular thing. And one more important thing about this web client is it's very highly available, and you can log in from any place wherever you are available here initially. And also you can log in through this VMware vSphere client, the web client, or the vCenter, which is the data center, which is the central point. You can also log in here through giving the administrator credentials. So administrator great vSphere not local, and my password is confidential, and I'm going to enter here. So when you log in with the VMware vSphere client through the vCenter server, it's also open. So in this way you can access in both the directions, which is very useful and helpful and flexible, and more you can ignore this certificate. So whatever the changes we have done in the web client is automatically reflected in the vSphere client whenever we open this vCenter server or any other hypervisors or any other clients. You can notice the same structure here when we open this vCenter server from the vSphere client. You notice the differences, but whatever the options available here are very less when you explore. The options available in the web client are much more. So you can see here the options which I get which I have in the vSphere web client are much more when you see the options available in the web client. And this is what I want to explain about VMware vSphere web client, which is very amazing. Previously it is known as just infrastructure of the virtual environment, but nowadays it's very useful in the leading industry, and it plays a vital role in all the industrial services and business organizations launching virtual machines, playing with the virtual machines, and working with all the virtual environment, which is also uploaded in the vCloud suite. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you very much.